Hello everyone, welcome back, and if you are new, my name is Nicola, and in today's video we are doing a full set of acrylic nails. If you've been here for a minute, you know that I don't typically wear nails, so this is like okay. So going straight into this video, I am pushing back my cuticles with a cuticle pusher just to remove that cuticle that may have grown on my natural nails and just expose that nail plate ready for prep. And then with my efile, I'm on a very low setting, I'd say like 1 or 2,000 RPMs, and I do have a fine grit sanding band, and I'm just very gently, light pressure, just going over the entire surface. You just want to remove that shine, and this is what helps adhere your product to your natural nails. I would definitely recommend going in with a fine grit. You don't want to, if you do anything a bit more, you are at risk of filing down your actual, like your layers of your natural nail. Does that make sense? So definitely stick to a fine grit, especially if you're a beginner. When you are filing, whether it's your natural nail or like your acrylic, your gel, anything like that, make sure you are lifting that efile off your nail to avoid heat spikes. It's very painful. You definitely don't want to experience that, or if you're doing a client or a friend or whatever, you don't want to hurt anyone. So constantly just like lift, no pressure, just lift and keep it moving, keep it going. And then going into my cuticle prep, I'm only using, I believe it was 2 bits. It was just the flame bit. I do believe this is the medium grit because of, like, you can tell because it's blue. I think the red is fine and the blue is medium. I'm pretty sure. We're not going to bet anything on it though, because just no. I do feel like I was struggling a little bit. It just does feel like a little bit larger than like a bit I'd normally use, but maybe I'm just tripping, and it's because that like this is my non-dominant hand. Like, who would have thought? I've not done like both hands for like over a year, and then imagine during a heat wave, I'm just like, yeah, let's film my non-dominant hand in a heat wave after we haven't done a full set myself for like over a year. What a great idea. By the way, this little spillage is monomer. As you can see, I already did my dominant hand and I spilled a tiny bit of monomer, but we're just not gonna like waste, even though it is like disposable or whatever, like we're gonna use it to its full potential and that's fine.
Got me up on a late night, you steady playing on my mind. Oh, I can't get you out my head. Got a feeling I can't fight. There's nothing left but it feels right. I'm feeling you and I won't pretend. I don't wanna say too much, I don't wanna say too much. I just wanna feel your touch. I wanna be closer, babe. I just wanna give you my love. I just wanna give you my love. I just wanna give you my love, my love. Ain't no doubt about it, babe. You should be mine. Through the sun and through the rain, I'll stay by your side. And when seasons change, my love will still remain. 'Cause I got you, I got you. Been down, I stay close. Storm hit, I ain't let go. You the one I don't second guess.
So after applying the tips, I then did cut them down to my desired length, and then I am just slightly filing down the nail tip. These tips were very thick, she little thicky, and normally we like that, but I do actually prefer my nails a little bit thinner. like, the thinner the better. Like, the more I can get away with it, the better. Obviously that's total preference though. Like, some people prefer thick nails, or if you are super like heavy handed, you might need that little extra thickness for your structure. It just totally depends, and it's different for everybody. So then after that, you do want to like get off all the dust, and I do wipe the nails. I don't think I've shown it, but I do wipe the nails with just alcohol, and then I am going in with my dehydrator, and then I do go in with my primer. Definitely don't skip these steps. You will notice the difference like immediately. I think when I first started doing nails, I think I totally forgot to add the dehydrator and the primer, and literally the next day it popped off. I think this was when I was learning, and my gosh, I never want to think about that day ever again. Not to be dramatic, obviously, but yeah, that was a horrible day, because if you do your own nails, you know how long it takes. Wow. And so here we are at the application. I will insert a photo of the products that I used, because honestly I can't remember. This is not my usual monomer. I did run out of the CJP. I did have a good stock of that for ages. I think I bought like 4 or 5 bottles, I think, but obviously I have run out. So this is the Saviland. I have tried their products before, but only like a few powders, but that was when I was like training years and years ago. So what do I think? I think I'm doing my non-dominant hand in a heat wave, and this is not a real Kalinsky brush, so we did not have a great time here, like at all. But Mama didn't raise no, so we just keep it going. And yeah, so let's discuss other pressing matters while I just try and get through this application. Sorry if you are like, well, a beginner, like intermediate, or like just you super know your shit. You're probably looking at this going, what the actual? This is my process. This is my journey. Let me have it. The heat wave in the UK was diabolical, by the way. That's my excuse, and I don't have a real Kalinsky brush. They are my excuses. Like it or leave it. So again, pressing matters. Pay attention. Stop what you're doing. Don't even eat that snack. Just lock in and stay with me. The time has come. The time has arrived. We were late, extremely late, but we are here. We are super close to doing my 200 subscriber giveaway. I literally can't even remember when I hit this milestone. It was a little time ago. I think we are at like 269, but because I've made you wait so long, we are going, I'm like literally swallowing because I'm so gassed. We're gonna do 3. So we're gonna do a binge watch give hours giveaway. So if you do have your own channel, I'm gonna binge watch your channel for a week. So that's winner 1. And then the second will be a mystery box. I have just ordered it and I'm waiting for that to come. And I might even add like a little extra something in there. That'll be for a UK winner. And then for my international subscribers, I think I have been like doing my research and trying to, like this, I'm trying to find brands in the UK that do ship like worldwide. And I think we got something. If not though, if it goes like whatever, like wrong, we can just do like an Amazon gift card, but I definitely do want to try and send something over.
Late calls, I be pulling up. Never could I give you up. Got it bad, I must confess. And I don't wanna say too much. I don't wanna say too much. I just just wanna feel your touch. I just wanna feel your touch. I just wanna give you my love. I wanna give you my love. I just wanna give you my love, my love, my love, my love. Ain't no doubt about it, babe. You should be mine. Through the sun and through the rain, I'll stay by your side. And when seasons change, my love will still remain. 'Cause I got you, I got you. Ain't no doubt about it, babe. You should be mine. Through the sun and through the rain, I'll stay by your side. And when seasons change, my love will still remain. 'Cause I got you, I got you.
So we are at the nail art portion of the video. So for the middle finger, I am doing like a very small blinged out French nail. So I did just do like one coat of just glitter gel polish, laid that on, and then cured it for 60 seconds, and then went in with my rhinestone glue, and then just put on the cute little rhinestones. And then for my index finger, I did just decide to do like a flower nail with some like little petals and just a few rhinestones. I didn't want to I didn't want to do the nail art on my non-dominant hand after the experience with the application. I was severely humbled very quickly, and I was like, it's just it's not like riding a bike. It's just not. I need practice. It's too much. And obviously I did do my other hand and it took forever. There's just no way I could have put you guys through that. With the 3D acrylic flowers, when you grab a small bead, wait for it to start drying, and that's when it's the best moldable. When it's still really wet, it's just gonna not mold, do you know what I mean? But when it starts drying, that's when you can start shaping it. So do note that you can add acetone to your monomer to help speed up the drying process, but because it was so hot outside, I did find that the beads of acrylic were drying really quick.
She just wanna bounce to it, baby, get your giddy on. Welcome to the stage with a drink like I'm giving on. But I never came here to sing what I'm really on. Giving dividends, I'm trying to boost your career and all. Know you got a binge, you ain't got one with the ceiling gone. If you wanna get it gone, give me the experience. Make me a believer like a feature at the cinema. Then we gotta keep it all a secret like the Pentagon. All these peeping times, people asking me what we been on. I know that it's bond, they just wishing they could watch it blow, watch it go through the fire like a Shaka song. Or was it yay? Either way, she gon' play the PlayStation, I'll play the Xbox, good gracious. I'm so grateful, it made me say thank you, yeah. I swear she drives me crazy, think my brain is gone. Man, I just can't shake it like delirium. When I get this faded, your body, I just can't shake it. And I just want you to run upon me.
Onto the ring finger, I am just doing a small flower in the corner of the nail. I do think just even little flowers, stuff like that, I think 3D art can definitely elevate a nail set. I kind of think it's not super heavy nail art. It is and it isn't, only because of the 3D, but I don't know, would you say this is beginner friendly? Is it heavy nail art? Are we desensitized to nail art at this point? Because I don't know. I've really missed wearing nails though. I'm used to just doing a set and then popping them off, and then I'm left with just nothing. I'm left with nothing. After putting beautiful artwork on my nails, I'm usually left with nothing. I'm also thinking that I should probably buy, is it the Elena practice hand? Has anyone got that? Let me know if it's worth it, because like they are really expensive. I know Kira Creations, you have one, but I'm not sure about anyone else. Let me know if they are worth it, because they are quite expensive. So I am applying shiny top coat, and I am going around all the 3D art and rhinestones. Let me know what you think down below, and definitely don't forget to like this video and leave me a comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and definitely just stick around for the next few videos because I am doing a giveaway. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Let me know what you think down below, and these are the final results. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.